Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Wow Women of Wisdom. Today I am going to show you how to stitch slitted semicircular high-low gown or tunic. Hope you'll all like it. These are the fabrics: 2 meters white net fabric I am using for the tunic and 1 meter black fabric I am using for the inner of the tunic and a zipper of 12 inch long. So let's start with the measurements. Now I will show you how to cut bodice pattern. Measurements are for 8 to 9 years old. Fold the fabric into 4 to open and to close sides and 4 close sides here. First of all, mark a straight line. Then mark the length of the bodies. I have taken 12 inches for the body's length. Shoulder width 4.75 inches. Armhole depth 5.5 inches. Neck width 2.75 inches. And front neck depth 2.5 inches and back neck depth 1 inch. Give it a curve shape to the back neck and front neck. For the chest measurements, take full round of chest, adding 4 inch of ease allowance, divided it into by 4 and 1 inch extra for the stitching margin. And for the waist measurements, take full round of waist, adding 3 inches of ease allowance and divided it into by 4 and 1 inch extra for the stitching margin. Shoulder drop 0.75 inch. Give it a back and front armhole curve as shown. These are the measurements for the main white net fabric. Cut these on white net fabric. Now I will show you how to cut body's inner pattern. Mark a point on 3.5 inch as shown and join this with armhole midpoint as shown in the video and cut the inner pattern accordingly. Cut the inner pattern with 3/4 of an inch seaming allowance as shown. Now I will show you how to cut skirt pattern on paper. Fold the paper like so and mark the waist measurements on folded side, that is full round of waist plus 4 inch of ease allowance and divided it into by 3.14. Mine is 8.5 inches. Mark the waist measurements as shown. Similarly, I have marked the waist measurements on the fabrics. Then this line I have taken as 15 inches. And on the fabric as well taken 15 inches. Then on the folded side, mark the full length of the skirt excluded the body's length. In my case, that is 32 inches. I have marked the length of 32 inches on fabrics. Keep the same length of 32 inches till 15 to 16 inches. Then join with curve line as shown. Now cut the paper pattern. After cutting, it will look like this. Now I'll show you how to cut sleeve pattern. I am making sleeves with black net fabric, but show you the measurements on different fabrics so you can see it properly. Fold the fabrics into 4, 2 open and 2 close sides here and 4 close sides here. Now mark the full length of the sleeves, including seaming allowance. Mine is 19.5 inches. Then mark ½ inch for seaming and mark again 2.5 inch and make a line. Then on this line, mark 5.5 inch and 1 inch extra for stitching margin. And mark the half of sleeve opening as shown. And 1 inch extra for the stitching margin. Give it a curve shape as shown. Join the points as shown in the video. And cut the sleeves as per the markings. Now I have all my pattern pieces. And I have cut 1.5 inches straight and bias strips to conceal the raw edges. Now double fold the inner patterns and make a stitch line as shown. Join the inner patterns with necked bodice patterns. Now give the middle slit to the front bodice piece as shown. And join both the shoulders. Now join both the sleeves to the bodies. And do the side stitching. Now mark the center point on the back piece as shown. And mark the center piece on the skirt piece as well. Match both the center points and pin the pieces all over. And then make a stitch line to join the bodice piece to the skirt. I have joined the skirt to the bodice and stitched the seaming allowance towards the bodice. You can make it as a casing for inserting the elastic. Now I'll show you how to conceal the raw edges of the slits. Take a straight strip of 1.5 inches and fold it into half. Then place it onto the slit and make a stitch line on 1/4 of an inch, and then turn it to the wrong side and stitch. I'll show you how to do this. I have concealed the raw edges of slits. Similarly, conceal the raw edges of the bottom part of the skirt and the neck with bias strips. Now open the zipper and pin the zipper to the slit. I'll show you how to attach it. Now cut the excess of the zipper and conceal the raw edges of the neck, and the next I will show you the final look of the dress. This is the final result of the tunic. Hope you all liked it. Please like, comment and share my work, and also subscribe to my channel for more such easy tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.